Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. All right, guys, like I said, when I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So my appreciation to you guys, for everybody who's following me, buys things through my links and everything else, we're doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a set of snap-on Phillips head screwdrivers and a brake caliper tool. And we're going to do it a little bit different this time. The way to enter is you have to put your answer to the question I'm going to give you in the comment. All right, here are the rules first. This contest will end April 15th, so if you're not submitted by then, you don't win. And if no one gets it, I get to keep the tools. All right, guys, here's the question. What movie did this phrase come from? Everything that guy said is bullshit. Thank you. A little hint, that movie was made 30 years ago this month. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.